I am Leah Harden and a member of the recycling group. Recycling is a very important theme that is relevant outside of an academic setting. Our team has been working hard at using various forms of technology for developing meaningful lesson plans that focus on recycling and reusing materials. I personally constructed 2 lesson plans that both focus on recycling. Today I will briefly discuss just one of these and talk about ways that technology has aided us in creation of this project. My first lesson plan helps children to see how everyday choices that they make in their lives has an impact on the environment. It included 2 lunches, one in a reusable lunch bag that contained the food in reusable containers, and the other lunch in a brown paper bag with pre-packaged snacks and a sandwich bag for the sandwich. This lesson plan required for students to predict which of the 2 lunches had the most waste and then weigh the trash. As a class, we would then discuss why one lunch had more trash and to see if they could find out ways that they could create less waste in their everyday lives. The purpose of this discussion was to promote critical thinking by using higher order questions, which is a concept that is found in the textbook entitled Reinventing Project-Based Learning in Chapter 7. After this portion of the assignment was over, students were given a hot list of websites to explore, ways that they can recycle, and then create a PowerPoint presentation. This PowerPoint presentation was one of the ways I tried to utilize technology as a learning aid. This concept was also discussed in the textbook in Chapter 7. Technology is a large factor in the world today, and students are constantly using it now outside of school, so why not use it for our learning purposes? In conclusion, we also use the technology in collaborating as team members to discuss ways to enhance our project. The blog made it easy to contact the other team members, as well as provided a way of keeping track of the progress we have made as a group. Overall, I feel we have been successful in creating meaningful pieces of work regarding our project on recycling.
In addition with creating individual lesson plans and using a blog to share ideas, we also created a group lesson plan and a concept map. While creating the concept map, group members had to put their input about the ideas used to create the map. We had to use the procedures that are in the text Reinventing Project-Based Learning. As a group, we had to use questions for checking in during the concept map process. There are 4 different aspects for checking in. Procedural, the group has to know what they are working on and to stay on task. Teamwork, every member has to work as a part of a group. If group members don't participate, then they get lost or they lose points. Understanding, team members need to know what the group is working on and communicating what they know about the project. Finally, each member of the group needs to have a self-assessment, usually a reflection about the project. These 4 concepts are important during any project and were important when creating a group concept map. The group also created a lesson plan using iGoogle. In iGoogle, students can share documents with their classmates. Classmates can edit and talk about one document in one place. Each group member created a personalized web page to share their ideas about the overall lesson plan. In the text Reinventing Project-Based Learning, the book has information on how students can personalize web pages. In this section, there are many websites students can use besides iGoogle. Students can use Web 2.0, NetVibes, ProtoPage, PageFlakes, and MyYahoo. Our lesson plan is about the 4 R's of recycling. The main points of the lesson plan are working with another class, research different waste products, and create a webcast to share with the class. Creating the concept map and lesson plan, the group worked together to complete these parts of the recycling project.